welcome the deans of the various colleges. The Dean of the College of Liberal Arts and General Education, Dr. Estelita Joso. And the President of the Baliwag University, Dr. Patricia Bustos Lagunda.
We remember that we are in God's presence. From Psalm 100, it is He who made us, and we are His people, the sheep of His pasture. Enter His gates with thanksgiving, and His courts with praise. Give thanks to Him, and praise His name. For the Lord is good, and His love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations. Almighty God, Creator and Ruler of the universe, our hearts swell with gratitude as we present to you on this momentous day those who will receive their degrees from the School of Graduate Studies of this great institution, Baliwag University. The administrators, faculty, and staff join their families in thanking you for the grace of this day. Accept, Abba Father, our prayer of petition, that as they leave the hallowed halls of this university, may they carry in their hearts and constantly practice in their lives the values that will strengthen their character and sustain their love for you and their fellow men. As each of these ladies and gentlemen triumphantly step on this stage, it is your infinite goodness that we celebrate. We honor you today, and we bless your holy name. Amen.
The Dean of the School of Graduate Studies and concurrent Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Flordeliza A. Castro, shall now formally present to the University President, Dr. Patricia Bustos Lagunda, the candidates for graduation from the 11 graduate programs of the School of Graduate Studies. The candidates will stand upon mentioning their respective degrees during the presentation.
So they have successfully completed the requirements for graduation, Madam President, as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and the Baliwag University. They have been recommended for graduation by the faculty of the School of Graduate Studies and are therefore entitled to receive their diplomas. So may I request everyone to please rise so that you'll get your conferment of your degrees from the President of the University.
Madam President, I represent the graduating class of the School of Graduate Studies, specifically the candidates for graduation for the degrees Doctor of Education, Doctor in Business Administration, Master of Arts in Education, Master of Arts in Nursing, Master in Information Technology, Master in Business Administration, Master in Public Administration, Master of Science in Hospitality and Tourism Management, Master of Arts in Teaching, Master of Science in Nursing, and Master of Library and Information Science for the first term, second term, and third term of the school year 2022 to 2023. I come before you now to petition you to confer on us the degrees for which our Dean and the members of the faculty have recommended. We have completed all the requirements of our respective programs, the Baliwag University and the Commission on Higher Education. We have acquired the university's core values of responsibility, integrity, service, excellence, and respect. We are now ready, Madam President, to receive our diplomas.
Madam President, as University Registrar, I am submitting to you the list of the candidates for this year's graduation. I recommend that they be declared graduates of their respective degrees.
Good afternoon to everyone. By virtue of the powers vested in me and authority vested by the Board of Trustees of the Baliwag University, in accordance with existing regulations as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education of the Republic of the Philippines, and upon the recommendation of the Dean and faculty members of the School of Graduate Studies, I hereby declare you graduates with the degrees Doctor of Education, Doctor in Business Administration, Master of Arts in Education, Master of Arts in Nursing, Master in Information Technology, Master in Business Administration, Master in Public Administration, Master of Science in Hospitality and Tourism Management, Master of Arts in Teaching, Master of Science in Nursing, and Master of Library and Information Science, with all the rights, responsibilities, privileges, and honors appertaining thereto. Congratulations, graduates, and the newest members of the Baliwag University alumni community. You may now transfer your tassels to the left.
Dr. Inoncilio lives in Baliwag City, Bulacan. He is an associate professor in the College of Liberal Arts and General Education at Baliwag University. His dissertation is titled Perceived Canvas Effectiveness, Teacher Self-Efficacy, and Work Engagement.
Groundwork for an upskilling plan. Shanyang Vocational and Technical College and Teachers College Early Education major. Her dissertation is titled Assessment of Professional Competencies of Teachers in Early Childhood Education in Shanyang City, Shanxi, China. Basis for a Teaching Competence Enhancement Program. Li Lin. Dr. Li lives in Langfang City, Hebei Province. He is an Executive Vice President and General Manager at OneShaw Corporation Limited. His dissertation is titled The Implementation of Whole Subject Reading Approaches in Primary and Secondary Schools in China, Basis for an Enhanced Reading Program. Ren Xiaohua. Dr. Ren is from Zhejiang District, Taizhou City, Zhejiang Province. He's a librarian at Taizhou University, and the dissertation is titled The Influence of Personality Traits on Life Satisfaction Among Medical Students in Rural China. Sun Zhe. Dr. Sun lives in Weisheng District, Shanyang City, Shanxi Province, China. She's a teacher at Shanyang Technical and Vocational College. Her dissertation is titled Professional Development Status of Preschool Education Teachers in a Higher Vocational College in Shanyang City, Basis for a Proposed Professional Enhancement Program. Wu Dazhu. Dr. Wu lives in Manshan City, Anhui Province, southeast of China. He is an English teacher at Manshan University. His dissertation is titled Factors Influencing Effective Blended Teaching Modality Among College English Teachers, Basis for Faculty Development Plan. Xu Yangxi. Dr. Xu lives in Huijian, Beijing, China. She's a Chief Executive Officer at Tsinghua, Beijing International Cultural Corporation. Her dissertation is titled Mother's Identity Formation and Children's Heritage Language Development, Case Studies of Immigrants in Wisconsin, United States. Zhu Zhengliu. Dr. Xu is from Hangzhou, Xinjiang, China. He's the head of the Student Affairs Center at China Academy of Art. His dissertation is titled Influence of Volunteering on Psychological Well-Being Among College Students, Basis for an Enhanced Community Service Program. And Zhu Heixian. Dr. Zhu lives in Shanghai, China. He's a teacher at Shanghai Civil Aviation Vocational and Technical College. His dissertation is titled Teaching Competitiveness of Selected Faculty in Higher Vocational Colleges in Shanghai, China. Congratulations, Doctor of Education graduates. The following are the graduates for the degree of Doctor in Business Administration. Maria Victoria R. Ignacio. Dr. Ignacio is residing in Quezon City, Philippines.
It's titled Moral Imagination of the Filipino Entrepreneur and Manager and its Effects on Business Decision Outcomes. Dr. Ignacio is a product of the Executive Doctor in Business Administration program of Baliwag University.
Maria Serapian Nieves L. Jerusalem. Dr. Jerusalem is currently living in Mandaluyong. She is the Senior Vice President of Wells Fargo Bank. Her dissertation is titled Causal Relationship Between the Operational Perspectives and Financial Performance of Publicly Listed Philippine Banks. Dr. Jerusalem is a product of the Executive Doctor in Business Administration program of Baliwag University. Alan B. Pleno. Dr. Pleno is from Baliwag City, Bulacan. He is an Associate Professor 3 at Bulacan State University. His dissertation is titled Servant Leadership Behavior on Managers' Effectiveness, Implications to Management, Banking, and Operations. Erica Ana V. Trinidad, Loyalty Awardee. Dr. Trinidad lives in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. She is the branch manager of China Bank Savings, San Rafael. Her dissertation is titled Dynamic Capabilities and Sustainable Performance of universal banks for sustainable strategic formulation. Du Daxing. Dr. Du lives in Yujiang District, Daisik, Guangxi, China. He is a supervision engineer and lecturer at Daisik University. His dissertation is entitled Risk Management Programs of REIT's Investment and Financing of Expressway Projects in China, Basis for an Investment Decision. Li Lingjun. Dr. Li is from Gongshu District, Hangzhou City, Zhejiang Province, China. He's a teacher at Zhejiang Highway Technician College. His dissertation is titled The Level of Performance of Production Management System of Selected Manufacturing Industry in Zhejiang, China, Basis for Production Management Plan. Liu Hua. Dr. Yu lives in Shuangluan District, Chengde City, Hebei Province, China. He's a vice president of Sichuan Lanben Digital Construction Technology Corporation Limited. His dissertation is titled The Impact of Guangyanda Digital Technology on Engineering Management of Shanghai Real Estate Company in Beijing, China. Nong Chengmin. Dr. Nong is from Yuzhou District, Yulin City, Guangxi Province. She's a university teacher, intermediate economist, and lecturer at Yulin Normal University. Her dissertation is titled The Effects of Export Services in Financial Development Performance in Guangxi Province, China. Zhu Jindao. Dr. Zhu lives in Kunshan, Jiangsu, China. Currently an independent director and chairman of the audit committee of Kunshan Kozin Technology Corporation Limited. Dissertation is titled Research and Development Innovation Skills among Zhujiao Province Foreign Funded Enterprises, Development of Innovation Productivity Paradox Framework. And Yen Bin Chen. Dr. Ying lives in Yangpu District, Shanghai, China. He's an assistant dean of in-flight services management at Shanghai Civil Aviation College. His dissertation is titled Public Relations Strategies of Selected Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, Basis for PR Strategy Awareness Plan. Congratulations to all the Doctor in Business Administration graduates. And here are the graduates of the degree Master of Arts in Education. Vina Minorca M. Angeles. Miss Angeles lives in Baliwag City, Bulacan. She is a married English graduate who is a Dep Ed Teacher 1 at Dr. Felipe de Jesus National High School. Her thesis is titled Perceptions and Experiences of College Faculty Members on the Use of Blended Learning Modality. Crisanto E. Avila. Mr. Avila is currently living in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. He is a married educational management graduate who is the Chief Executive Officer and Director of St. Aloysius Academy of Dasmariñas, Cavite. His thesis is entitled The Digital Divide, Adaptability and Transformation Among Faculty Members and Administrators of Private Schools in Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Renante D. De Jesus. Mr. De Jesus is from Baliwag City, Bulacan. He is a married English graduate who is a Dep Ed Teacher 3 at Makinabang Elementary School. His dissertation is titled Writing Quality and Writing Self-Efficacy of Special Science Elementary School pupils. Prince Emil G. Flores. Mr. Flores currently resides in Baliwag City, Bulacan. He is a MAED Mathematics graduate who is a DepEd Teacher 3 at Santo Niño High School. His thesis is titled Enhancing Mathematics Through Interactive Learning, or EMIL app, a virtual learning module as a tool in enhancing the least learned topics in general mathematics. Grace Allison M. Manglalan. Miss Manglalan lives in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. She is a MAED English graduate who is an Instructor 1 at Bulacan Agricultural State College. Her thesis is titled English Teachers' Meta-Linguistic Knowledge and Quality of Written Corrective Feedback, a Correlational Study. Jonifel M. Martinez, Loyalty Awardee. Mr. Martinez is residing in Baliwag City, Bulacan. He is a MAED English graduate who is a subject area coordinator and a senior high school teacher at Baliwag University. His thesis is titled Impact of English Enhancement Class to the Grammatical Awareness of Senior High School Students. Don Jose D.G. Pangilinan, Loyalty Awardee. Mr. Pangilinan is currently living in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. He is a MAED Educational Management graduate who is the Prefect of Discipline and a senior high school teacher at Baliwag University. His thesis is titled Predictors of Academic Integrity of Senior High School Students. Emily C. Reyes. Miss Reyes lives in Pasig City. She is a MAED Mathematics graduate who is a DepEd Teacher 2 at Nagpayong High School. Her thesis is titled Predictors of Mathematical Anxiety among Senior High School Students. Kevin D. Rubio. Mr. Rubio resides in Bustos, Bulacan. He is a MAED English graduate who is a DepEd Teacher 2 at Cambaog National High School. His thesis is titled Multimodal Approach and English Proficiency of Grade 8 Students. Erica T. San Miguel. Miss San Miguel is currently living in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. She is a MAED English graduate who is the Assistant Principal of the Senior High School Department at Baliwag University. Her thesis is titled Gamified PowerPoint Presentations and Students' Motivation in EAPP, a Correlational Study. Michelle M. Santos. Ms. Santos lives in Baliwag City, Bulacan. She is a MAED English graduate who is an SHS teacher at Baliwag University. Her thesis is titled Lexile and Expository Writing Skills of Grade 10 Learners, a Correlational Study. Julie Pearl T. Tanta. Ms. Tanta is residing in Pasig City. She is a MAED Mathematics graduate who is a senior high school teacher at Nagpayong High School. Her thesis is titled Effect of a Select Mathematical Application to the Academic Performance and Attitude Towards Learning of Grade 11 Students. Maria Rica Bianca B. Villacorte. Ms. Villacorte is currently living in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. She is a MAED English graduate who is a part-time instructor at Bulacan State University. Her thesis is titled, Arts Model of Motivation in Students' Academic Achievement in Oral Communication in Context Subject. Quincy E. Vinuya. Miss Vinuya lives in Candaba, Pampanga. She is a MAED English graduate who is a DepEd Teacher 1 at Manga High School. Her thesis is titled Students' Social Interaction, Collaborative Learning, and Writing Proficiency, a Correlational Study. Congratulations to all Master of Arts in Education graduates. The following are the graduates of the degree Master of Arts in Nursing. Kimi K. A. Acevedo. Ms. Acevedo resides in Sampaloc, Manila. She is an MAN graduate who is a nurse too at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Her thesis is titled The Influence of Hemodialysis on Patients' Social Lives in a Selected Tertiary Hospital in Manila. Eleanor Florida L. Altobar. Miss Altobar lives in Sampaloc, Manila. She is an MAN graduate who is a unit nurse manager at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Her thesis is titled The Effect of Modified Cancer Care on the Quality of Life of a Cancer Patient patients during the COVID-19 pandemic in a selected tertiary government hospital. Aurora M. Ignacio. Miss Ignacio is from Sampaloc, Manila. She is an MAN graduate who is a Nurse 3 at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Her thesis is titled The Relationship of Workplace Stress on the Caring Behavior of Staff Nurses, Basis for Program Development. Congratulations to all Master of Arts in Nursing graduates.
Here is the graduate of the degree of Master in Information Technology, Jonaldo F. Bernardo. Mr. Bernardo lives in San Rafael, Bulacan. He is a DepEd Teacher 2 at Carlos F. Gonzalez High School. Congratulations! The following are the graduates of the degree of Master in Business Administration. Kelly Joyce D. Aniceto. Miss Aniceto is from Marilao, Bulacan, who is working as a Revenue Officer 2 at the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Rose Ann V. Aquino. Miss Aquino lives in Baliwag City, Bulacan. She is a Revenue Officer at the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Eden Grace C. Arceo. Miss Arceo is from Candaba, Pampanga, who is working as a management trainee at Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company. Ariel Cesar S. Bailosis. Mr. Bailosis is from Baliwag City, Bulacan, who is working as a cashier A at Baliwag Water District. John Caparas. Mr. Caparas resides in San Simon, Pampanga. He is a senior high school teacher at Talughasang Politekniko ng lungsod ng Baliwag. Marion T. Cruz, Loyalty Awardee. Mr. Cruz lives in Baliwag City, Bulacan, and he is a revenue officer at Bureau of Internal Revenue. Micah Angela Faith R. Cruz, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Cruz is from Bustos, Bulacan. She is currently working as an account payable analyst at Aspen Business Solutions Incorporation. And Bianca C. David, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. David lives in Pulilan, Bulacan. She is an accounting associate at Food Resolution Incorporation. Nancy B. Herrera. Ms. Herrera is from San Rafael, Bulacan. She is the branch service manager of the Philippine Bank of Communication, Baliwag. Marvin E. Lopez. Mr. Lopez is currently residing in Bustos, Bulacan, and is working as a radio network planning engineer at Nokia Shanghai, Bell. Joanna Marie G. Mandamba. Ms. Mandamba lives in New South Wales, Australia. She is working as a collection officer in Wisconsin, Australia. Kimberly Ann C. Malangka, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Marangka resides in Baliwag City, Bulacan. She is working as a finance specialist at Unilab Incorporation. Gia Racheline M. Mercado. Ms. Mercado is from San Miguel, Bulacan. She is the key account manager of Times Trading Corporation Incorporation. Jonel Joseph I. Ocampo. Mr. Ocampo resides in San Rafael, Bulacan. He is working as an audit supervisor at PwC Acceleration Center, Manila. Ronald B. Redison, Loyalty Awardee. Mr. Redison lives in Pulilan, Bulacan. He is a global head of managed services delivery at MICE in Contact Philippines Incorporation. Liza Joy A. Salvador, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Salvador presently lives in Angat, Bulacan. She is an accounts payable specialist at Emerson Electric Asia Limited. Bianca R. Santillan. Ms. Santillan resides in Giginto, Bulacan. She is working as a revenue officer at the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Isa Ayen B. Santos, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Santos currently lives in Balagtas, Bulacan. She is an accounting head of Sinag Pawnshop Corporation. Congratulations, Master in Business Administration graduates. The graduates for the degree of Master in Public Administration. Astrid B. Alquino. Ms. Alquino is currently living in Baliwag City, Bulacan. Currently, she is a budget officer at the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency. Luisa G. Balondo. Ms. Balondo is residing in San Miguel, Bulacan. She is the Human Resource Officer 2 at the Municipal Government of San Miguel. Mary Ann R. Cruz. Ms. Cruz is from Baliwag City, Bulacan. She is a Supervising Industrial Relations Management Officer A at the Baliwag Water District. Roland Anthony N. Pangyan. Mr. Pangyan is currently living in Obando, Bulacan. He is an Administrative Officer 1 at the San Lorenzo Ruiz General Hospital. Nicole C. Razon. Ms. Razon is a private practitioner, civil engineer from Mexico, Pampanga. Crizel Joy C. Rivera, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Rivera lives in San Miguel, Bulacan. She works as an Administrative Officer 2 at the Bureau of Customs. Julius O. Yage. Mr. Yage resides in Pamplona, Cagayan. He is a nurse 5 at San Lorenzo Ruiz General Hospital. Congratulations, Master in Public Administration graduates. And here are the graduates for the degree of Master of Science in Hospitality and Tourism Management. Jessa Christy V. Bernardo. Miss Bernardo lives in Malolos, Bulacan. She is presently working as a Talent Acquisition Specialist at E-Team Workforce Private Corporation. Fernan I. Camera. Mr. Camera is from Florida Blanca, Pampanga. He is an instructor 1 at Pampanga State Agricultural University. Troy Adam M. David. Mr. David is currently residing in San Fernando, Pampanga. He works as an airline relations manager at Clark Airport Support Services Corporation. Patrick J. Geronimo. Mr. Geronimo is currently living in Quezon City. He is a senior human resource analyst at National Power Corporation. Elaine C. Salvador. Ms. Salvador lives in Magalang, Pampanga. She is working as an instructor 1 at Pampanga State Agricultural University. Jean Dudek C. Salvador, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Salvador is from Pulilan, Bulacan. She is working as a faculty member at National University, Baliwag. Congratulations, Master of Science in Hospitality and Tourism Management graduates. The graduates of the degree Master of Arts in Teaching, Agatha Christine Melody C. Gutierrez. Ms. Gutierrez is from San Rafael, Bulacan. She is a general science major who works as a DepEd teacher 2 at Carlos F. Gonzalez High School. Jeneline T. Malto. Ms. Malto resides in Bustos, Bulacan. She is a general science major who is a subject area coordinator and senior high school teacher at Baliwag University. Marco L. Sison. Mr. Sison lives in Baliwag City, Bulacan. He is a general science major, currently working as a DepEd teacher 1 at Carlos F. Gonzalez High School. Congratulations, Master of Arts in Teaching graduates. The following are the graduates for the degree of Master of Science in Nursing. Maria Melanie C. Asistin. Miss Asistin is from Parañaque City. She is an occupation health nurse at Visa Business Processing Incorporation. Noemi Marie M. Bulan. Miss Bulan resides in 13 Martires City, Cavite. She is currently a nurse 2 at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Gaudentia M. De Villa. Miss De Villa is from San Luis, Batangas. She is an assistant unit manager, nurse 2 at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Evelyn O. Del Rosario. She is an Assistant Unit Manager, Nurse 2 at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Adrian E. De La Cruz. Mr. De La Cruz is currently residing in Candaba, Pampanga. He is the Hub Manager of Victoria by Love Yourself. Reina Maureen P. De La Fuente. Ms. De La Fuente resides in San Rafael, Bulacan. She is working as a nurse too at Baliwag District Hospital. Mark Jerome M. De Los Santos. Mr. De Los Santos also lives in San Rafael, Bulacan. He is a clinical instructor and full-time lecturer at Bulacan State University. Kim Margaret M. Jonicio. Miss Jonicio is from Pandi, Bulacan. She is working as a nurse at the Republic Cement Building and Materials Incorporation, Norsagaray plant. Maria Rosalinda E. Doma. Ms. Toma lives in Valenzuela City. She is the unit manager at the Emergency Service Complex of Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Mark Anthony V. Escoto. Mr. Escoto resides in San Fernando, Pampanga. He is an occupational health nurse at the Visa Business Processing Incorporation. Maria Lorraine E. Igarta. Miss Igarta is from Taytay, Rizal. She is a unit manager, nurse 3 at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Mary Ann M. Manglapnan, Loyalty Awardee. Miss Manglapnan is from Baliwag City, Bulacan. She's a part-time lecturer at Baliwag University. Filipinas R. Rabago. Miss Rabago lives in Maykawayan, Bulacan. She is a nurse, supervisor in the Acute Stroke Unit and Neurology ICU at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Rick D. Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez is from Maribeles, Bataan. He is working as an ER nurse at Maribeles District Hospital. Marian L. Sevilla. Miss Sevilla is from Taguig City. She is a dialysis nurse and nurse 2 at Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. Congratulations, Master of Science in Nursing graduates. Here is the graduate of the degree of Master of Library and Information Science with thesis, Sarah Jane M. Cheng. Ms. Cheng is from Pandacan, Manila. She is working as a system administrator at the Center for Library, Archives, and Museum Services at the Asian Institute of Maritime Studies. Her thesis is entitled Assessment of RFID System in Academic Libraries, a Basis for Adoption. Congratulations! The following are the graduates for the degree of Master of Library and Information Science. Sheikha de S. Alejandro, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Alejandro lives in Baliwag City, Bulacan. She is an MLIS graduate who is a technical assistant in GIZ, a German development agency. Juliet S.J. Belandres. Ms. Belandres is from Morong, Rizal. She is the Chief Librarian of Tomas Claudio Colleges. Paul William P. Concha. Mr. Concha currently lives in Dinalupihan, Bataan. He is the Chief Librarian of the Grace Christian College. Darlene Shane C. De Leon. Ms. De Leon is from San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija. She's working as an Administrative Aide 6 at the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority. Phoebe U. Galliano. Ms. Galliano presently lives in Antipolo City, Rizal. She is a librarian at the International School of Kuwait. Jessa S.J. Gonzalez, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Gonzalez lives in San Rafael, Bulacan. She is a Librarian 1 in Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Jessica C. Ilsas. Ms. Ilsas is from La Trinidad, Benguet. She is a School Librarian 3 at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. Jenny P. Insigne. Ms. Insigne currently resides in Taguig City. She is a cartographer 2 at the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority, or NAMRIA. Donna Joy D. Laceda. Ms. Laceda lives in Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. She is working as a library staff in Wesleyan University. Riona Faye Sofia D. Lim. Ms. Lim resides in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. She is the head librarian of City College of San Jose del Monte. Leona Rica T. Manalo. Ms. Manalo is from Caloocan City. She is a Bank Librarian 3 at Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Briar Rose J. Mariano, Loyalty Awardee. Ms. Mariano lives in Quezon City. She is an Information Officer at the Public-Private Partnership Center of the Philippines. And she used to be one of the top notchers in the librarian licensure examination, top 2. Mildred A. Monsalud. Miss Monsalud is from Santa Cruz, Zambales. She is presently working as a librarian at Columbine College. Nicole Diane L. Perdigon, Loyalty Awardee. Miss Perdigon lives in San Rafael, Bulacan. She is a Media Library Information Specialist in TV5 Network Incorporation. George Erwin A. Rada. Mr. Rada resides in Makati City. He is a college librarian 3 at Parañaque City College. Julius Weldon L. Ragasa. Mr. Ragasa lives in Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. He is an administrative aide in the Central Luzon State University. Marites C. Simeon. Miss Simeon lives in Balanga City, Bataan. She is the officer in charge of the high school library at the Tomas del Rosario College. Congratulations, Master of Library and Information Science graduates.
Okay, so please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Kaming mga nagsipag-aral sa Baliwag University ay nangangako na magiging tapat sa paaralang aming pinagtapusan at sa Baliwag University Alumni Association. Dahil dito, sa aming buhay na pansarili at pambayan, sisikapin naming manatiling marangal upang ang aming pag-iisip, pananalita at pagkilos ay mapagpatunay sa karunungan, kagandahang asal at pagkamakabayan na siyang layunin ng Baliwag University Alumni Association. Ipinapangako namin kami ay makikipagtulungan sa mga gawain at proyekto ng samahang ito upang makapagdulot ng dangal at kapurihan sa aming alma mater at sa ating inang bayan. Congratulations, graduates, and welcome to Baliwag University Alumni Association.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. With humility and sincerity, I pledge my loyalty to the Baliwag University. I promise, without any mental reservation, to hold my diploma with utmost care and with sober sense of responsibility. And in gratitude and loyalty to my alma mater, I will endeavor to be worthy of her good name, and will dedicate myself to the noble cause of country, science, and virtue. May God bless the Baliwag University.
Graduations provide an opportunity to recognize Baliwag University's outstanding faculty and non-teaching staff who provide the highest quality education and academic services to our students. On behalf of the entire Baliwag University, we tip our hats to them for their dedication to helping all of our students reach their full potential. We'd also like to thank the administration and university officials, the deans, the department heads, most of whom are attending this event right now, for leading the Baliwag University in reaching 98 years of excellence through innovation and gifting our youth with infinite learning, which is the theme of the 98th anniversary of Baliwag University, and making the university one of the leading higher education institutions in the region. Let's give them a round of applause. It is also a pleasure to have the family and friends of our students and graduates who joined us during this special event, such as this graduation. May I request all the parents, guardians, wives and husbands, sons and daughters, and family members of our graduates to please stand. And please remain standing. From the bottom of our hearts, we thank you for your loyalty and your support to our graduates. We consider you our most valued partners in their education. Your sacrifices, understanding, and support led to this fulfillment of their dreams and your dreams for them. Graduates, please stand up. And behold your loved ones. As a display of your appreciation, and while you are still wearing your academic gowns and caps, please give the loudest and longest applause that you can possibly give to them.
Pasalamatan ka pamana sa baliwag, anayan ka at paghimpuhan, siyang dulot ng mga kabataan. Liwanag mo'y aming tatatlahin, sa bawat tagumpay ng kakampi. Mahal namin para na Pasalamatan